everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. I am so excited. If you clicked this video, hello, thank you for clicking, thank you for watching. Don't leave just yet, stay till the end because it's gonna be a fun video. So I'm sure you guys are excited as I am to play with Mary Kay's new Chromafusion eye colors, blushes, contour, highlighter. So we are playing today with new Chromafusion products. I ordered some products for myself. I just picked out some that I felt, you know, would be great for my skin tone. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm just pulling up In Touch real quick to give you all the gist. So they came out with 33 intensely pigmented eye shades, eye colors, to deliver 12 hours. Okay, 12 hours of stay true color. Alright, so I am here for all of that. So they revamped the eyeshadows and they revamped the blushes, and honey, they came for our edges, honey. They gave us a contour color. Listen, true story, I was sitting at home editing a video when Carmen sent me pictures of the new eye colors, and that I was just flipping like thinking, wow, that's gorgeous. And then when I came across the contour shades, I swear to God, my heart skipped a beat. What? No way. Girl, you almost just gave me a heart attack. Is that contour colors? Yep, new contour shades. So these are the shades that I ordered for myself. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot of the Slick new compact, and it can also take all the new blushes in one palette, all the new eyeshadows in one palette, and you're good. Again, I think Mary Kay has been doing awesome in the new releases this year. I think they have blown it out of the park. I am super happy that they did, because let's be honest, okay, it was time for those eyeshadows to be revamped. As a chocolate girl, we need colors to show up on our skin tone. It was high time that they amped up the pigment, so I am super excited, and we are going to be putting that to the test. So on the other hand, so I live in Vermont, you guys, and yesterday was our fall retreat, which is awesome. We got, guess who? Lori Hogg, you guys. We got Lori Hogg in our area. What? We were the first that she showed the Chromafusion line to and played with on us. Your girl actually got to be one of her models. I think she's wonderful. She is funny as hell. If you haven't met Lori Hogg, you need to sign up for her trainings. It is totally worth it. You will learn a great deal from her. I actually got her to give us a little shout out, so I'm gonna plug that here right now. So just take a look. Lori Hogg here. Oh my God.
Hey ladies, how are you? I am so excited, ladies, to say hello to you guys. I want to wish you the best of luck. The Chromafusion chaos is happening, and it is like an all-time high. Love you guys dearly. I cannot wait to see some of the looks you guys come up with. So y'all promise me, when you start getting your looks, you're gonna start tagging me and put them on my Facebook so I can share them too. I miss you guys so much. Good luck, ladies, and I'll talk to you soon.
So exciting, right? So our area was the first to get Lori Hogg to come show us a Chromafusion line, which was amazing. So yes, our goal today is to see if it's pigmented, if it shows up. I am rooting for Mary Kay. I am here for them. So as you can see, my face is already done, prepped, ready to go. So this is hot coral. I'm gonna put it down here. And this is the bronzer, honey. This is the new contour shade, which, you know, you can bronze with or contour with, and it's called Cocoa. So these two are the new highlighter shades. I picked up both. So the darker one clearly is for bronze skin. The lighter one is for, you know, Caucasian skin, but I picked them both up because I felt it'd be nice to play with both of them. This is a cheek color, golden copper. Those are the highlighters, and these are the shades I picked up. So I just ordered 13 shades because these are the shades I know I will definitely wear, you know, especially on a day-to-day basis to work and everything. Maybe later I get some more colors, but for now I just grabbed these ones. These are very everyday friendly colors, and I'm excited to play with them. We're gonna start with a primer. I'm just gonna apply. I'm just gonna blend that out with the all over eyeshadow brush by Mary Kay. So what I'm thinking of doing is doing primer on one eye and doing concealer on the other eye to see if it makes a difference, because I know there are people who prefer to use concealers as their primer. I haven't quite decided what look I'm going to go for. So if you guys watched my Mary Kay Glam video, you would remember that I used Cinnabar, which I told you then was discontinued, to contour my face. You guys, they brought it back. So there's actually Cinnabar. That's this beautiful shade right here. So they actually brought it back, which I'm super pumped about. So they don't really have like a transition shade, you know, because we like our warm colors like the oranges and stuff. I will use hot coral, and this brush is actually Lori Hogg's brush. It's a large ultimate crease brush. So I'm just going to dip that in hot coral, and we're going to apply that. So this is not a matte cheek color. It actually has like light reflective shimmers in it. So I'm gonna dip into Cinnabar and just use it to go over. Next, I'm gonna pick up this matte shade right here. It's called Merlot. Wow, did you see that? So I'm just using the Mary Kay Ice Smudger brush. I'm just applying. That's actually really dark. Well, okay, so Merlot definitely packs a punch. Like, she don't play. So I'm gonna put this on pause. So for the other eye, I'm gonna actually use concealer as primer and see if that makes a whole lot of difference as far as getting the pigments to show up. So far, it's okay. Merlot is pretty pigmented. And I'm gonna do the same thing I did. So just going in with the hot coral, and while it's still wet, I'm just gonna pop that on. Okay, so that is showing up better. Just to show you guys the difference in the blushes. You see, this is, excuse mine, is broken and it's a mess. But this is a Spice Poppy blush that this kind of mimics. But the difference is that this is more matte than that one. So that is the hot coral. Again, you see it shows up better with the concealer on dark skin. I'm just gonna actually dip a little bit into the Spice Poppy just so you guys see what I'm talking about and you see the intensity. Do you see the intensity of that? Do you see the intensity of that? That is way more pigmented than the hot coral because it is matte. So if you're looking for a good transition color, I'll definitely use Spiced Poppy as opposed to hot coral because it just doesn't pack as much of a punch. Let's see how Cinnabar will show up this time. So Cinnabar is not very dark brown. It's actually not very dark brown, but you can see the pigment in it. Next, we're going in with Merlot. Merlot is fire. So which side do you guys like best? In this side I use concealer as primer, and this side is just eye primer. We're going to be doing a cut crease, so I'm going to get my concealer again and we're going to cut the crease. So a great tip to all my MK sisters, if you didn't know, the Mary Kay eye crease brush is fabulous for doing a cut crease. You cannot go wrong with this. It's also great for ladies with hooded eye to, you know, kind of help them place and create another lid when they're doing a cut crease. So I'm going to show you what I mean. I'm gonna hold it like this. And holding it like this, I'm just going to see that? Did you see that? How easy that was? Just following the angle of the brush itself. And now I'm going to fill in. You see how easy that was? So if you have a customer who wants to do a cut crease, just show her this brush. The minute I saw it, when Mary Kay came out with it, I was like, wow, that is a great brush for a cut crease. Do you guys see that? So picking up rose gold right here, I'm gonna place it on the inner corner right here. Okay, rose gold. Okay, she's showing. Wow. So next shade I'm gonna go with is Glow Mauve. See, what I'm doing is I'm just kind of pressing it in. I'm not swiping. Just pressing it onto the lid. Wow. Okay, that is pretty. What? What am I wearing? I'm wearing Mary Kay, honey. So I'm gonna place Sweet Plum right over where I placed Merlot. Okay, so Sweet Plum definitely looks more vibrant than I remember. More vibrant than I remember. Alright, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna do the other eye. For this other eye, I'm actually going to spray my brush with some setting spray. So we're gonna go in with rose gold now with a wet brush. Trying to see if we get more pigment with it wet. So far, you guys, I don't have any fallout on my face. which is great. I'm gonna go in with Gold Mauve next and just gonna do the same thing, spraying the brush. Sweet Plum. So guys, there you have it with both eyes. So this side has just Mary Kay primer and the eye color, and this side I went with concealer over my eyes before I applied the eye colors. This side where I applied the shimmer eye colors with a wet brush. I used a setting spray on the brushes and applied them over here, and on this side the brushes were dry. I don't know if I can come close so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys notice any difference, but looking in my mirror, this is what I will say. I actually prefer the shimmer on this eye where I didn't spray the brush when I applied the shimmer, so I prefer the shimmer dry. This eye that I sprayed my brushes, it looks like it's creasing. If you're someone who has wrinkles or wrinkly eyelids, it's gonna make it more noticeable when it's applied wet. So for me, I'll be using the shimmer colors dry. I will not be getting my brush wet when I apply these colors. Okay, so I'm actually gonna just go and smoke the bottom lash with Sweet Plum, and I'm gonna go over that with just a little bit of Merlot. So now the moment that I've been so excited about is this contour powder that Mary Kay came out with. So I'm gonna go in now with Cocoa, and let's see. Oh wow, did you guys see that? So the beautiful thing about a new cheek brush is that it has an angle to it. So we're going to use the angled part and just dip into the product. That's where I want to contour, and then I'm gonna flip the brush around and I will blend. That is beautiful. Yes, honey child. All right, and then we're gonna just blend. I'm gonna blend it up into my eyebrow. Okay, you guys, the moment I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for is to see what these highlight colors look like on bronze skin. First, I'm gonna go in with the darker one, and then we're gonna go with the light one too. Oh my word. Did y'all see that? Oh my goodness. We're gonna pop just a little bit of that on the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna pick up the lighter one. Definitely has more silver in it. Oh my God. Put it down, Nita, put it down. We are highlighted to the gods, okay? We are highlighted to the gods, so let's move on. So now we're gonna go in with hot coral, just like that. And I'm gonna just stamp her almost like in the center between, ooh, okay. Almost like in the center between my contour and my highlight. Do you, I can't. What? Ooh. Do y'all see that glow? Oh my goodness, we are looking good. This is beautiful. Before we move on to the lips, I'm just gonna give you my thoughts so I don't forget. I love the new Chromafusion eye colors. I think they are bomb. They definitely are more pigmented than the old ones that we had. My tip to you is use the shimmer eye colors dry. I didn't like the way it kind of creased up my eyelids when I sprayed my brush, so I would say they're better off used dry on the brush. Don't need to spray them. You saw when I used the first shimmer shade how it showed up with no problem, so the shimmers show up just fine. So yes, they definitely are improved. They definitely have more pigment. It's a great step in the right direction. I am loving this. I am loving my contour. I have my Cocoa now. I don't have to go elsewhere to get my contour shade, and it doesn't get muddy, it doesn't get dirty, it doesn't get orange or red. It is a perfect melt into my skin and has a very, very natural finish. So it is a double thumbs up for me for the Cocoa contour shade. It is a big thumbs up for me for the highlighters. Hello, they're beautiful in the sense that they're not chalky, they're not chunky, they won't scare away even your older customers. The eyes, fabulous. People are out here looking for pigment, okay? Especially my brown sisters. You know, with our skin tone, we are absolutely looking for pigment. So thank you, Mary Kay, for this new Chromafusion eye colors. These colors I tried today are beautiful. I am excited to try other colors for you guys, and I will. So now we're gonna go over for the lips. Alright you guys, so we have popped on our lip color. I am wearing the limited edition lipstick by Mary Kay in Pure Matilda. This is the shade I'm obsessed with. So yeah, that is it you guys. I would love to see the looks you guys come up with. You know, definitely feel free, tag me on Instagram with your looks, and definitely tag Lori Hogg too. She would love to see what colors you guys come up with, because yeah, I am super excited. So if you guys have any comments or questions, definitely leave it down below. I look forward to reading it. And yeah, I want to know what you think about the new Chromafusion line. So that is it you guys. So if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. From me to you, bye. See you on the next one.